Okay, you're probably asking, why are you showing us your peel skins? That's gross, just throw them away. No. Keep them, dry them off, spray with some olive oil, sprinkle with some salt, mix that all up, and y'all put them in your air fryer. And you got little crispy chips. Trust me on this. All right, we're gonna air fry at 350 for 15 minutes, shake halfway. Right, this is halfway through. See how crispy they're getting? They shrivel up, but oh my gosh, you guys. Nice snack. Okay, how awesome are these, y'all? They're done. So good.